Hello viewers, I just turned on the landscaping lights for the first time in 2019 and somewhat of a pleasant surprise. Everything worked with just a little bit of convincing. I don't know what kind of an annoying animal that is, but anyways, we have the 4 transformers here. I took those in for the winter. So I took those out today, put them back on the stand, made all the connections, and the stand is actually doing okay too, but it's getting a little bit of side-to-side sway, so I put that piece here to hold it steady. I just got to put a crossbar, in between there somewhere. The lights were mostly all working. A couple of them were not. This one over here was the only real anomaly. This one was missing its bulb, which is really peculiar because it's a closed fixture. It's not like the bulb can just fall out or something. So I'm not quite sure what happened there. Actually, there was another anomaly over here. Now, see, this one just quit working. I think the one over here, a branch fell on it, and the stand broke. This one right here. So what I got to do is I got to take that in and glue it. Here's the stake. It just kind of broke off. So no problem. I'll glue that up. And I'm pretty happy with these lights. I got these. I think this is the second or third year now I've had these, and actually probably 3 years. I think this is now. And I got a really good deal on these. They were being liquidated when I bought them because the seller was getting too many returns because they were too difficult to put together. And that was fully advertised at the time of the sale. And I said, I'm a pretty mechanically inclined person. I'll give it a try. And oh man, were they frustrating to put together. Hours across several days of aggravation is what it took to get these things put together. But I did it, and for the most part, they've been pretty maintenance-free ever since then. The only thing is, like you saw over here a few minutes ago, the way the lights connect to the wires is not the greatest, and so every now and again it does come loose. But of them all, I think less than 10 were screwed up after sitting all winter, and there is, I want to say 40 of them out here. So, anyways. That's that. They're all good to go. I gotta wash them off. That one's really bad over there. What happens when it rains, especially when it rains hard, the rain kicks up off the ground and splashes dirt on them. Can you unblur, please? There we go. So I gotta get the pressure washer out here and just spray them off. But night has caught me, so it's gonna have to wait for another day. But other than that, everything is looking good out here.